I've got a new favorite pair of headphones. They look good, sound great, last long, and are super compact, and are from a brand that I love. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you love music as much as I do, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right gadget to match your needs. I spent 1 month with the just launched Marshall Major 5, and here are 5 reasons why I love it. While I've been using the Marshall Major 5 for about a month now, my retail device arrived only recently. So let's unbox them. It's finally spring in New York, so we decided to film this outside. The Major 5 comes in a relatively small box. When you open it up, you get the headphones. I love how light they are. Inside, there's a user manual and a pair of cables. First, a USB charging cable. I'm really digging this black diamond detail. It makes the cable special. And last but not least, an audio cable for connecting to a DAC or an audio device. Here's a fun fact. When Marshall headphones was established back in 2010, the OG Major was actually their very first product. You know I'm a big fan of their portable speakers, but in this video, I want to talk about the just announced Major 5. These are their most affordable and most portable over-ear headphones, and here are 5 reasons why I love them. With my mobile lifestyle, portability is everything. And because of that, while I do love over-ear headphones, they often get left behind at home in favor of wireless earbuds. Especially now that I've stopped using backpacks. But take a look at this. You just fold both sides in and then lock them together like so. Look how compact this is. Now, my Marshall Major 5 easily fits inside my messenger bag. They're also small enough to fit inside my other handbags. And because of how portable, not to mention comfortable they are, they've become my new go-to while traveling. And because they have a headphone jack right here, you can also connect them to the plane's entertainment system. If you know me, you know I love fashion. And it's important that the tech I wear looks good and matches my outfits. While there are many black headphones in the market, these ones look special and not like a pair of plastic cans. I love their classic timeless design. They're both rugged and stylish. They have a leather-like finish all over with unmistakable Marshall details, like this brass knob, which you'll also find on speakers like the Willen. When styled right, the Marshall Major 5, like a good accessory, can elevate any outfit. New on the Major 5 is an M button. It works 2 ways. Used in conjunction with Spotify Tap, Spotify will use AI and your listening history to recommend a song that it thinks you will love. And anytime you press that button, you can immediately begin listening to music. And if you don't like the song Spotify suggested, you can just press on it again, and it will play another song. You can also, via the Marshall app, assign other functions like the voice assistant or equalizer settings. It goes without saying, but a good pair of headphones needs to sound great. Thankfully, Marshall has great sound in their DNA. The Major 5s have 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver thunderous bass, smooth mids, and crisp treble. I'm a big fan of ballads, and with reduced distortion on the Major 5s, you can really enjoy vocals with absolute clarity. It's also Bluetooth LE audio ready, which when rolled out by companies like Apple, promises even higher quality streaming audio, and improved audio sync when, say, watching a movie. not having to worry about charging my devices is a godsend. And on the Major 5, Marshall is promising up to 100 plus hours of playtime. That's up from the 80 plus hours the Major 4 was rated. That's great. Any of you who have owned a pair of earbuds or headphones have probably experienced this once or twice. You're excited about listening to music, you put them on, and then the battery is dead. That's something that you don't have to worry about with the Major 5. It's also perfect for long trips. In fact, I had these at 100% on Thursday, and then I took them for a trip to Montreal for a bachelor's party on Friday, all throughout the weekend, to and from the airport, and on the entire flight.
Many unbearable hours later.
And today, Monday, after using it while I work from my patio, there's still like 89% left. When it's time to charge, there's Quick Charge. A 15-minute charge via this USB-C port can deliver up to 15 hours of music playback. But best of all, it also supports wireless charging. So I can just plop them onto a charging pad like so. Love that. When it comes to brands I work with, Marshall is one of my favorites. They make products I truly enjoy using, but what I really appreciate is how they care about the music industry, and for artists in particular. Last month, I was at South by Southwest in Austin, Texas, where Marshall gave creators like me the opportunity to get to know their brand even more. Not like they need an introduction. The name Marshall is synonymous with rock and roll. If you've ever been to a rock concert, you've probably seen an electric guitar connected to a Marshall amp. The company, Marshall Amps, has been around since 1962 and has been used by the likes of Led Zeppelin and Jimi Hendrix. At South by Southwest, I actually had the chance to meet his sister in a panel that talked about the role that the community plays in driving music forward and lifting artists up. And my biggest takeaway was, how can I truly support the artists that I love, especially in an industry where music labels usually take the lion's share of the earnings? The panel had these 3 suggestions: go see them live, buy their merch or whatever it is they have to sell, or donate to them directly on apps like Spotify. I spent almost a week at South by, where Marshall provided a venue for artists to perform. From young kids from the School of Rock, visiting performers like Skinny Lister, to Marshall Records artists like King Nun and Dream Nails. And so reason number 5 is brand love. I've worked with Marshall for many years now, but I've also gone out and spent my own money on Marshall products because I love the brand. I've seen how they work, what they do, what they believe in, and I've also seen them put their money where their mouth is. The Marshall Major 5 is available today and retails for just under $150. And those were the 5 reasons why I love the Marshall Major 5. They're available today, and you can find them at marshallheadphones.com. Don't worry, I'll put a link down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.